Why are we doing this training? What do we want people to learn? Clear objectives answer these questions. They provide a roadmap for the training. They help trainers focus on what matters most. Objectives also help measure success. Did the training achieve its goals? Think of building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint. Objectives are the blueprint for your training. They ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. Without clear objectives, training can be unfocused. It might not meet the needs of the learners. This wastes time and resources. Clear objectives are essential for effective training. They provide direction, focus, and a way to measure success. For example, a clear objective helps learners understand what is expected of them, such as being able to identify the key components of a training program. This clarity ensures that everyone knows what they need to achieve. It also helps in creating a structured learning environment where progress can be tracked and measured. There are three main areas where people learn: knowledge, also known as cognitive skills, which are psychomotor, and attitudes or behaviors, referred to as affective. Cognitive learning is about understanding and remembering information. This includes facts, concepts, and procedures. For example, learning about safety regulations is cognitive. Psychomotor learning involves physical skills and coordination. This could be operating machinery or performing a medical procedure. Affective learning focuses on attitudes, beliefs, and values. This domain is about changing how people feel or behave. For example, developing teamwork skills or a positive attitude towards customer service falls under affective learning. Understanding these domains helps us create well-rounded training. We can target different aspects of learning for a more comprehensive approach. Let's look at examples of objectives for each domain. These examples use action verbs to describe what learners should be able to do after the training. Cognitive. List the steps in the company's emergency procedure. Explain the difference between gross profit and net profit. Summarize the main points of the new safety regulations. Psychomotor: operate the forklift safely and efficiently. Perform CPR on an adult mannequin. Create a professional-looking presentation using PowerPoint. Effective: demonstrate effective communication skills in a team setting. Show empathy and understanding when dealing with customer complaints. Value the importance of diversity and inclusion in the workplace. These are just a few examples. Objectives should be tailored to the specific content and goals of your training. Section 4, making objectives smart. Objectives should be smart, specific, clear, and well-defined. Avoid vague language. Specificity is crucial for clarity. Measurable. How will you know if the objective has been achieved? Use numbers or specific criteria. Measurability ensures progress tracking. Achievable objectives should be challenging but realistic. Achievability keeps goals within reach. Relevant objectives should align with the overall goals of the training. Relevance ensures alignment with broader goals. Time-bound. Set a time frame for achieving the objectives, for example, by the end of the training session or within 1 week of the training. Time-bound objectives create urgency and focus. Here's how to make an objective smart. A vague objective might be understand customer service principles. A smart objective, on the other hand, could be by the end of the training, participants will be able to correctly answer 80% of customer service scenario questions on a written test. Smart objectives provide clarity and accountability. They help ensure that your training is effective and impactful. Emphasizing each element of SMART is key to successful training outcomes. Section 5, Benefits of Strong Training Objectives. Why are strong objectives so important? Here are some key benefits. They provide clarity and focus so everyone involved in the training understands the goals. They guide the design and delivery of training, helping trainers create relevant content and activities. They facilitate evaluation, providing a benchmark for measuring the effectiveness of the training. Strong objectives also increase learner motivation. When learners understand the goals, they are more likely to be engaged, and they improve return on investment or ROI because effective training leads to better job performance and organizational outcomes. Investing time in developing strong objectives pays off. It leads to more effective, impactful, and measurable training programs. Section 6 conclusions: setting your training up for success. Clear training objectives are like a compass. They guide your training in the right direction and ensure you reach your desired destination. By understanding the 3 learning domains and using the SMART framework, you can create objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will lead to more effective training programs that deliver real results. Remember, the goal is to create training that is engaging, informative, and ultimately helps people learn and grow. Strong objectives are the foundation for achieving this success.